Once you have the manuscript coded and copy edited, you are ready to convert to the layout using PageMajik's InDesign automation engine. Before you begin, it is important to ensure you have the InDesign template and associated libraries and fonts uploaded to the system. The action Generate InDesign is available for the XHTML file in the Manuscript tab. The action is available in the Chapters, Tab View and Sequence screens. When Generate InDesign is triggered, a list of available templates is displayed in this pop-up window. The template option is customizable. Select the template relevant to the design and click on Proceed. The manuscript XHTML is then locked, preventing others from using it. To cancel the action, click here. You can track the progress in the notification bar here, namely queued, in progress and completed. The file gets converted to IDML format and then into InDesign. To generate InDesign for more than one file, use the sequence shortcut in the Chapters screen to go to the sequence page. Enter a start page number in the custom column and the page number type, which is either Roman or Arabic. You can select one or more files and then run the action Generate InDesign from the yellow arrow. An alert would be issued for any missing XHTML file in the selection. You can choose to upload the missing file and trigger Generate InDesign again, or ignore this alert. Select the InDesign template and click on Proceed. You will see a gray lock to the left of each of the files in the current selection. A process icon to the left of the file name indicates that it is the file currently in process. Once the action is completed, a typeset document will be generated and an IDML along with INDD will be placed under the InDesign tab. You can then check out and download the INDD file from either the Chapters or the Tab View screens and open it on your computer in Adobe InDesign. Once you have completed your work on the InDesign file, use the check-in action to upload the updated InDesign file back into the site.